Alright, everybody. Hey, in case anybody missed, got the ARRMA Notorious. So had some issues with the roll bars on, or the wheelie bars breaking. I actually designed and printed my own wheelie bars. Usually, they pretty much trash within a minute or so of driving. Inherently they're not ABS or anything like that, so they're not that strong. They're strong, but they're just not impact resistant. So what I've done is I've actually printed out two more, and this time I used it's TPU is what it's called. It's a flexible filament, almost like a rubber, but it's not. It's a more rigid kind, so it gives a lot of flex. So hopefully, I don't know when I'll find out. It's raining here today.